Hello guys, good evening. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you from Madian Valley, which is in Sawat, and it's a beautiful area. I've got a lovely surprise. I know some of you are not paying full attention to Ielts. They are not practicing their Ielts. So I've got a wonderful solution for them, and this solution is going to work out. And the solution is brick. दिल ते करदा है इट मार के थोड़ा सिर पाड़ दें. यकीन करो. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I feel like breaking your head with this brick. Why? Listen guys, you are lucky that there is some very good support behind you. You are lucky that your parents are supporting you. They are holding your hand. They want you to reach your destination country, and what you guys are doing? I know, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your resources. And in fact, you are not wasting your time and resources, you are wasting your life. This time of your life, if you are 18 years old, for example, and this time of life is never going to come back. Whatever you do today is not going to come back. This day is actually a wonderful day. In the same way, you guys are wasting days, weeks, months, and some have even wasted the years. If you ask them, and then they will tell you, well, I have 2 years study gap, I've got 3 years study gap, this and that. So all these gaps are just because of that, and I'm telling you, be all right. Otherwise, I'll become lunatic, I'll become crazy, and I'm gonna break your head with this brick. Huh? All right. Now listen, apart from this, so guys, what's going to be the action plan? What is it that you have to do so that you come out of this whirlpool, or we can call it twister or tornado? How to come out of tornado? Because when you are in this negative tornado, things are not in your control. Things are out of your control, and then you go on with this tornado. Now, how to come out of this tornado? First of all, from today, I want you all to forget your past. You might be thinking, Asad, sir, what do you think? We forget our past? Yes, yes, yes. You need to forget your past. You know, our past is related to two things. One, good memories. Second, bad memories. Right? At the same time, we have two types of beliefs. One is empowering belief that says, go on, go ahead. And second is disempowering belief that says, don't go on, don't go ahead, go back, go down. So you need to cancel all the disempowering beliefs about you. On top of the list, there is the disempowering belief that I cannot get my desired band in Ielts. Cancel that. Say, shut up. Whenever the voice comes from your inside, I cannot get my desired band in Ielts, just say shut up. And you got to change that disempowering belief to empowering one. Yes, I can get my desired band, provided your desired band is based on the realities. I mean, you're capable of doing that, okay? If your English is at 5 level, band 5 level, you can get 6 band, not 7, 8, 9, okay? So be realistic about that as well. The second thing I want you guys to do from today, take your Ielts responsibility on your own. Now, some people, they give their Ielts responsibility to their parents. And then parents say, hey, go prepare for Ielts, go read some books for Ielts, do some listening tests. And even parents don't know anything about Ielts, about conventional studies. They know about that, but about Ielts they don't know. Like you can cheat your parents. You say, I'm doing listening, and you're watching a video. Something like that you can cheat. So you need to take your Ielts responsibility on your own. Number one. Number two, collect all the learning resources which you need. If you're taking paper delivered Ielts, make sure you have 16 Ielts books. If you're taking computer delivered IELTS, make sure you know the website onlineieltstests.com, and there you practice, right? And then after that, I mean, for the time being, you become the candidate, you become the student of IELTS, you become the learner of IELTS. I mean, 24/7, you should do IELTS, think about IELTS, dream about IELTS and all that. And this is not going to be for a long time. This is only for 4 weeks or maximum 8 weeks. I mean, listen guys, can't you give 4 to 8 weeks of your life for the betterment of your life? What a pity. What a pity if those who are not going to spend these 4 to 8 weeks properly, then they are going to repent, they are going to cry, they are going to be sorrowful, they are going to be painful in the future. And those who are going to take their responsibility with IELTS responsibility, so they are going to be happy. As I was telling you, some people give their responsibility to their parents for IELTS. Some people give their IELTS responsibility to language centers, IELTS coaching centers. Some people give their IELTS responsibility to their teachers, IELTS teachers. At the end, you realize, unless you take your own responsibility, IELTS coaching centers, IELTS teachers, parents, books, even my videos are all useless. My videos are useful when you take your own responsibility, when you search certain topics on my channel, watch those videos and try to follow my instructions. All the best guys. By the grace of God, I am successful. I term myself as a successful person because I have achieved more than once I thought, right? And if you want to be successful and you know what is your definition of success at present, getting the desired band in IELTS, reaching your destination country, ultimate definition of success for you is only this. So if you're going to give proper time and attention, if you're going to pay the price today for your success, then tomorrow success will be yours. And if today you don't pay the price, if today you don't do what it takes, then future will not belong to you. Your future will be equal to your present. I'm warning you. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Well, Asad Yaqub from this beautiful Madian Valley, wish you best of luck. It's about to rain anytime, and I've got my umbrella. Let me show you my umbrella. So, see that guys, this is life. Imagine one day you are going to be somewhere enjoying yourself and all that. This is what we call life. Oh gosh, right? So be ready. If you pay the price today, you will get every luxury in your life tomorrow. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.